I see how it is. Okay, so now you want to play the game. Now you want to play. Okay, fine. Hold on. Let me do my intro. I got your remote right here. Okay. Let me take it. Jesus Christ. Okay. What's up, everybody? It's Mida Business. Welcome back to We Play. Well, okay, Joe intro. What about you? Who you gonna play as, huh? You gonna play as? Jimmy Bias? You're fucking disgusting and I hate you. Stop doing that. Only I can do that. So he said he wanted to play billiards. So that's what we're playing. We're playing billiards because this evil thing is trying to kill me. Okay, so if you've never played billiards before, it's pool. It's pool. Okay. Yeah. How do I? Oh, okay. And then nice, good break. What do you mean mediocre? I thought it was really bad. You could talk this entire time? Yeah, obviously. Obviously I could talk. Alright. Easy. Some solids, I guess? Or does that even matter? I'm gonna hit these bad boys right here. Oh wow, you're disgusting, you know that? I don't care. You're not gonna hit them. Yeah, I am, watch. You're not gonna hit those balls. Oh, you hit one. Yeah, good job. You really got it in there. Oh, you dick. Alright. Yeah, foul. That's right. Failed to hit your target. Freaking idiot. It's my turn. I get to choose where to put the ball. I'll put it right here. Ah, wait, what the heck? Okay. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right. Go get it, man. What the heck? Oh, no. Don't put that 8-ball in there. Man, you suck. Bro, shut up. Silence from you. I didn't ask for your opinion, you damn bird. I'm about to sink it. No, you're not. You're making me break my accent, you dick. Hey, no, you give me my remote back, you son of a bitch. Oh, you bitch. Damn bird. Son of a bitch. I can't even use that video. I think it got my face in it. Oh, you dick. Ah. Trying to say this game inside. Okay. We're probably, should I finish out the game? I mean, he's headless. I don't really know. I mean, oh, God. I didn't really expect that. Also, he knocked the dice over. I was using the dice to... Alright. Well, maybe I can just put it back on there. Ah, say good as new. Technical difficulties. Alright, hold on. Okay, you gonna play nice dipshit, or we're gonna have another problem? Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, we're back. He promised he wasn't gonna do anything. He's not talking again either. I might just be schizophrenic, to be honest with you. Finally sank one, jeez. You suck, you know that? Dang bird. Fudge. God dang it. God, man. Why is it so hard to work with this game? Do I have anything better I could put my phone on so I can record this? Let's not do this again, man. Dude, you suck. You suck at this game. Why did you... Out of all the games we could have played, you chose the game you were the worst at. Like, I'm not even good at pool. Billiards. Okay. Oh, now you're gonna talk. I fucking hate you. I hate you so much. Maybe you should stand up. I didn't ask for your opinion. Why isn't it working? Ask the producer. The producer? Who are you talking about? You know, the guy who runs all this shit, you know? The producer, you know? You have a producer? Yeah, obviously I have a producer. Pretty cool. Oh my god, could we just hit this ball in? Or could you just whiff so I could, like, get it in a good spot? Yeah, I am for real getting tired of this game. Off the wall, check it. Check it, 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 check it. You suck. Shut. You know what? Dude, I'm done. I'm so done with this. Finally freaking sunk one. Jeez, it's taking me 2 damn years to get the fucking thing to go. Because the damn motion control won't work. Well, it's probably because your sensor is like sideways. Oh, yeah? Yeah, I think it is. Oh, okay. Well, how about you show me that? How about you fucking show me that? All right, yeah, let's go. There, was that so hard? You're never playing a game with me ever again. Look at that. Okay, jeez. Okay, I was wrong. God, can a man just be wrong? What are you doing? I'm gonna hit it from the side. Okay, yeah, actually, this is a lot better. Yeah. Obviously. Yeah, I knew that. You're just dumb. I'm not dumb. Why do you keep putting down the remote every time? Why do you keep putting down the remote every time? I don't! People are gonna say this video is faked and that a bird isn't actually playing Wii. Or the Wii or whatever. Dude, we're running out of steam. What do you mean we're running out of steam? This shit ain't funny. No, it's plenty funny. Shit ain't funny. Okay, whatever. I like making funny videos, and this one's about to be 10 minutes because you don't know how to play pool. Did you just hit the 8-ball in? Did I? I think you just hit in the 8-ball, bro. Well, it's letting us play the game, isn't it? God, Jesus. Man, you might not even be able to use this video. Okay, well, when I look over it, and if I see my face in the video, we'll just replay this. Oh my god, we are not replaying this. Just cut it out. Oh wait, that's true. I can't just do that, can't I? Okay, I'll probably just cut it out. Can't you do that in the YouTube editor? Yeah, I think so. I don't have a professional editor. Maybe I should CapCut or something. Please, out of everything, just don't use CapCut, please. Well, why not? I don't understand what's wrong with CapCut. It's dumb. Well, just hit something and Jesus. Is that a scratch or a foul? It's a foul. You hit in the wrong ball. Wait, what? We weren't even going for number 9. What? We were going for 5. How did you get that? I'm just better, I guess. You didn't hit the actual ball first. See, that's what you're supposed to do. I'm at a lose. See, I got a foul. Why are you using a pink controller? What do you mean? Your controller's pink. Why are you using that? Because I like pink. Something wrong with liking pink controllers or something? No, I'm just saying. It's kind of weird. It's still my turn, idiot. Well, why'd you put your controller down? Because I didn't know. God. You can't let me have anything. It's going to go in. It's going to scratch. It's not going to scratch. Look, because I'm better. Who's better, huh? Who's better? All right, shut up, man. Jeez, you don't have to be so So damn mean about it. Let me just hit this in. I'm gonna hurt you. I'm gonna hurt you so badly if you don't get this in. Okay, watch. I'm gonna get it in. Oh, dude, you're putting it off angle. It's not gonna go in. It's gonna go in. Look at that, winning. God, we're never playing this again. Please, for the love of God, can we not play this? I had 10 points. Yeah, but the foul is subtracted. That's a bullshit. Oh yeah, you think so? You think so, huh? Yeah, I do think so. I do.